Fresh homemade strawberry pie turns any occasion into a special one. Welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond, and it's time for another edition of Treat Week. Amanda is back to guide you through crafting this mouth-watering dessert. Are you ready, Amanda?
Absolutely. If you love strawberries, there's nothing quite like this strawberry pie.
So stick around and you'll see what we mean. Let's go.
First, remove the tops off 2 pounds of fresh strawberries. Hulling the strawberries will make your pie look and taste great, and will make each bite smoother and more enjoyable. Now place the strawberries in a salad spinner and rinse under cold running water. Gently agitate the strawberries to help dislodge any dirt or debris. Now remove the basket, shake off excess moisture, and empty the water from the base. There are other ways to clean your strawberries, but this method is quick and easy. If you don't have a salad spinner, you can find links to the equipment we use in the description below this video. Once you have removed any excess water from the strawberries, remove the inner basket from the salad spinner, then vertically slice each strawberry in half and place them face down on paper towels. Slicing the strawberries in half allows them to release their juices, infusing the pie with more flavor. Now save 1 cup of strawberries to be used for the sauce. These will be mashed, so don't choose the best looking ones. Cover the remaining strawberries in paper towels and pat them dry to remove any excess moisture. Now let's make our strawberry sauce. In a medium saucepan, add 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then, over high heat, give it a mix until well blended. Next, we'll add our red food coloring. This ingredient is purely for looks and is optional. Mix in the food coloring until it has completely dissolved. Then add the cup of strawberries that you saved and begin to smash them into the sauce. This tool wasn't quite getting it done, so Amanda used a meat smasher to finish the job. Once the strawberries are mostly smashed, allow the sauce to come to a boil and continue cooking and stirring for 1 minute. After that, turn off the heat, and when it looks like this, your strawberry sauce is done. After the sauce cools a bit, pour into a large bowl. Place the remaining strawberries in a separate bowl and let both chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. While that's cooling, let's prepare our pie crust. But first, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, arrange your dough into a glass pie dish. Then, using your fingers, begin forming the edges of the dough to the side of the dish. This is called crimping or fluting, and will help seal in the strawberry filling and keep the edge of the crust from sinking into the pie dish. Besides that, it also looks fire. Now take a fork and prick the bottom and sides of the dough. This will allow steam to escape while baking and prevent the dough from forming air pockets. When using pre-made crust, follow the baking instructions on the package. Now bake the crust until lightly golden. For a crust that's pre-made, this will take about 9 to 13 minutes. It's time for cream cheese. Soften in the microwave for about 15 seconds, then whip until it's nice and creamy. Now spread a thin, even layer on the bottom and sides of your crust. This is the secret to keeping your pie crust from turning soggy after adding the filling. After this, allow the pie crust to sit in the refrigerator while you're waiting for your filling to cool. And you know, it's gonna be... Let's assemble the pie. After everything is cooled, in a large bowl, combine the filling with the remaining strawberries and gently mix together until well combined. Make sure each strawberry is nicely glazed. Now carefully pour the strawberry pie filling into the pie crust and spread it around evenly. And there's just one last step. Flip the strawberries skin side up for presentation. And after that, your pie is ready to eat.
All right, everybody, we are ready to give this strawberry pie a try. Today I have my father here with me. He somehow found a way to get here because he loves strawberry pie. So
I found out that my daughter-in-law was making strawberry pie. It took me no time to make the decision, and I beelined over here trying to get as many pieces of this pie as I can.
Right. And we don't have that many, so we'll just enjoy the pieces that we get, right?
I think somebody's gonna be missing a piece, is all I can say.
And Amanda, I think you did a great job. It looks great. I can't wait to taste it. Why don't you serve it up to us here?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Whoa. Wait, there we go. Now we're talking. Like, what just happened there? Okay,
All right.
I eat now.
All right, well, let's take a bite together.
Oh, we together?
All right, here we go. You ready? Here we go.
Hurry up. These are definitely fresh strawberries. Man, it is crust. It's so good.
One of the reasons why I layer the pie crust with cream cheese is so that the filling doesn't seep through the crust, so it keeps the crust nice and crispy on the bottom.
That's what I like about it. You can taste each individual layer of flavor the way this is built. You could taste the creamy top, you could taste the juicy and sweet strawberry center, and then that crispy crust on the outside and the bottom just tops it off. The textures are just great.
Yeah, what he said.
Now, Dad,
Yes, son.
you're enjoying this pie because it might be your only piece. But we got a special surprise for you. Amanda made you your very own pie.
Wow.
So you don't have to, you
I
don't
don't have to go. Oh,
you don't have to ration it out. You don't have to do anything. You could just enjoy
I
it.
don't have to fight for more pieces. Oh, Amanda, thank you so much. You made my day.
And it's not even his birthday.
Stop it. Oh my. Oh. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You guys had me worried. I was thinking I was going to fight somebody for some more pie.
Well, there you have it, folks. This strawberry pie is truly a bite of summer. The strawberries are fresh. The pie is fresh. It tastes fresh. And I hope you try this yourself. If you do, let me know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, to comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Take care.
Bye.
I was going to say, if you make it, let me know in the comments section so I can come by and taste it. Make sure you did it right.